Are you ready to crack the code to viral success? Imagine creating captivating videos that rack up millions of views on Instagram, leaving your followers in awe. Well, buckle up because today, we're diving headfirst into a topic that has revolutionized the way we consume content: AI-generated videos. But have you ever wondered how these viral videos come to life? Well, wonder no more, because in this video, we're going to unlock the secrets behind those eye-catching AI-generated videos that have taken the internet by storm. Whether you're an aspiring influencer, a social media manager, or just a curious mind eager to explore the cutting edge of content creation, this video is your ultimate guide. So without further ado, let's get into it. Take a moment to look at those immensely popular Instagram pages and YouTube channels. You've probably seen them skyrocket to fame with their massive following and viral videos. But guess what? You don't need to stress about spending endless hours scripting or editing, and you certainly don't have to drain your bank account to achieve that level of success. All you need is your trusty mobile phone and a stable internet connection, and you'll be on your way. Now, I'll be demonstrating the process on my PC, but don't worry, you can easily follow along using your phone. Step 1. Unleash the power of Leonardo AI. To begin, visit leonardo.ai and provide your email ID. Once you've done that, keep an eye out for the Launch App button. Go ahead and give it a click. Now, you'll find yourself inside the app. Look for the button that says, I am whitelisted, and click on it. This will grant you access to the exciting features of Leonardo.ai. Once you're in, it's time to unleash the magic of AI image generation. Find the option labeled AI Image Generation and give it a click. Prepare to bring your imagination to life. Select the highest dimension available and get ready to enter your prompt. For instance, the prompt I'm using right now is a young businessman. However, feel free to let your creativity run wild and customize the prompt to fit any character you desire. To ensure the best results, make sure to choose the DreamShaper Vive 5 model. Once you've made your selection, click on the Generate button and watch the magic unfold before your eyes. You'll now receive 4 magnificent AI-generated images based on your prompt. If you find an image that truly captures your vision, simply click on the Upscale button to enhance its resolution and quality. And once you're satisfied, go ahead and download it to your device. Step 2. Craft an engaging script with ChatGPT. Alright, it's time to bring our video to life with an incredible script. And guess what? We have the perfect assistant at our fingertips, the ever-reliable ChatGPT. So here's what we'll do. Copy and paste the prompt I've provided in the description below. Don't worry, you can use it as is, or feel free to customize it to your liking. Let your creativity flow. Now get ready to witness the magic of ChatGPT as it transforms your prompt into a captivating and informative video script. It's like having a talented co-writer right by your side. As ChatGPT works its wonders, you'll see your script come to life, full of engaging content and ideas that will captivate your audience. The AI's knack for language and creativity will truly shine through. With the help of ChatGPT, we'll craft a script that's unique, engaging, and tailored specifically to your needs. Step 3. Bring your video to life with AI-generated images. Let's bring our video to life and give it that special touch using the amazing AI-generated image we created earlier. First things first, let's head over to did.com. When you arrive at their website, you'll notice a free trial option. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're inside the platform, you'll see a Create Video button. Click on it to get started. Look for a small plus sign within the interface and give it a click. Now it's time to sign up. You can either use your email ID or continue with your Google account. Choose the option that suits you best and follow the simple sign-up process. This will allow you to add the AI-generated image we've prepared. With the technicalities out of the way, we can focus on infusing our video with the perfect voice and style. Take your time to explore the various options available to you. Once you've found the voice and style that truly resonates with your character or vision, it's time to bring it all together. Locate the Generate Video button and give it a click. Before you hit that button, take a quick glance at how many credits it will consume. By default, you'll receive 20 credits, but don't worry if you need more. You have the option to purchase additional credits, or if you prefer, you can sign up with a different email ID to receive another 20 credits absolutely free. Once it's ready, simply download it.
Real Concept 1: The Journey Within. Topic: Navigating Complex Adversity.
You know, many people simply download and upload their videos without any enhancements, resulting in lackluster and low-quality content. But not us. We're taking things to a whole new level. Step 4. Add eye-catching captions using CapCut. Let's add some captivating captions to our video. And guess what? We have the perfect tool for the job. It's called CapCut, and it's completely free. First, make sure you have CapCut up and running. Once you're inside the app, it's time to import the fantastic video we just created. Simply drag and drop it onto the timeline. Now let's focus on adding those eye-catching captions. To do this, click on the text option and select Auto Captions. With just a single click, the magic happens, and your captions will magically appear on the screen. To ensure the best readability for your captions, let's make them larger. We want our viewers to easily digest the content, so choose the font option, and personally, I recommend Arial Black for its appealing appearance. But we're not done yet. Activate the stroke and shadow features to give them a subtle yet impactful touch. Trust me, these little additions can make a big difference. Now, to maintain a pleasing flow, you have the freedom to fine-tune your captions. Simply click on the captions themselves and adjust the sentence length if needed. If a sentence feels too long, don't hesitate to split it into 2 halves by hitting the Enter key. Once you've put the finishing touches on your captions, it's time to bring your masterpiece to life. Let's export the video and take its quality to the next level. Simply click on the Export button, and from the options that appear, select the 1080p resolution. Step 5. Enhance your video using Wink. Now that we have successfully created our video, let's enhance its quality even further. Here's how. Start by downloading the completed video onto your mobile phone. You can do this by sending the video file to yourself via WhatsApp or transferring it from your PC. Make sure you have the video readily available on your phone for the next steps. Now it's time to download a powerful app called Wink. Since it's not available on the Play Store, you can find a link to download it in the description below. Install the app and open it on your mobile phone. Once you're inside the Wink app, look for the image quality option. Tap on it to explore further. You'll come across a Try Now button. Then choose the video we just downloaded as the one you want to enhance. Once the enhancement process is complete, you'll see a Done button. Click on it, and you'll be presented with the enhanced version of your video. Step 6. Enhance your video further using VN. Now, it's time to take the enhanced video to the next level of perfection. Import the final enhanced video into the VN Video Editor app on your mobile phone. Within the VN Video Editor, navigate to the Filter section and click on Adjust. Here, you'll have the freedom to make adjustments to the video as per your preference. I recommend increasing the sharpness to around 30 for that extra crispness. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, click on the checkmark symbol to confirm your changes. Then, look for the blue Export button. Give it a tap and let the VN Video Editor work its magic. Look for the option to select your desired resolution for exporting the video. Step 7. Enable high-quality uploads on Instagram. Before we proceed to upload the video on Instagram, there's an important setting we need to adjust. Head over to the settings within the Instagram app and look for the option called Upload at Highest Resolution. Make sure to enable this option. By doing so, you ensure that your video maintains its exceptional quality when it's finally uploaded for the world to see. Now that you've taken these important steps, you're ready to share your masterpiece with the world. And there you have it. Now, before we wrap things up, I have 2 important things to ask of you. Firstly, what kind of AI content would you like to see next on our channel? Please leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts and suggestions. Secondly, if you want to discover a guaranteed way to make money with AI, make sure to click the first link in the description below to get your hands on my free ebook training. And if you're looking for someone who will take your hand and lead you through the entire process, then the second link in the description is for you. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all our latest AI videos. We have plenty more exciting content coming your way. Until next time, see you soon.